Hey, are we?
No.
Are we
No.
We're gonna do this, or?
Are you gonna pay me?
Born with gasoline for blood and a turbo for a heart, the lone driver sets out to create the ultimate driving machine. Melding flesh with steel, he harnesses the dark art of automotive mechanics to bend speed and power to his will.
What's going on, guys? Thanks for hanging out with us today. If you're new to the channel and you like what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button. I think today's the day. Jordan?
Today's gonna be the day.
Today's gonna be a good day. We are gonna get, he is gonna get this. It's a team effort. We're gonna get this out of my garage, and by doing that, we'll have installed all of the poly bushings in the rear of the car.
Yes. We're gonna get the rears done. The rears have to get done today.
Today, Junior.
We're not gonna mess with the fronts after the fiasco from the rears yet.
Yeah, not today. We're not
yet.
messing with it today.
No.
Yeah, but
later. It's a later thing.
You know, baby steps. Again, we're getting there. We're getting there. So what's the situation here? Remind us. Give us a refresher course.
So I don't know if you recorded this part, you're gonna put it in or whatever, but we cut the front part of the bolt that was stuck, the threaded part, cut it in what, 5 minutes? It was very easy to cut out.
That was two videos ago.
2 videos ago? Okay.
Yeah.
So then we tried to cut the back side of the bolt. Then it is solid metal, whatever sort of metal they use. We went through like 3 or 4 blades.
Something like that.
We went through like 4 or 5 batteries, and you can barely even tell that we tried to cut anything with it.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try a couple different things, I think.
Is it?
We're gonna try to use because I cut it right at the front of the bushing, so we have a little bit of wiggle room. I think if we burn the outer part of the bushing to where it kind of melts off, it might give us enough room to be able to slide it out, and then we can deal with the metal sleeve then.
Right.
So we can, even if we just like cut the metal sleeve and cut the sleeve off or pull the bolt out or whatever, but it's obviously not working just cutting the bolt. I'm not gonna sit here for another hour and a half, 2 hours trying to cut it.
Why not? Hey man, what you got there, bro? Okay. Yep, that's
I'm tired of this. So let's just see. It's getting caught right here on the edge.
And a lot of people have told me not to use a blowtorch, but this is kind of like a last ditch.
So
effort.
we will. Oh yeah, that's gonna be good for our lungs. Yeah, like worst comes to worst, at least we can get a new control arm if we can get this out.
Well, you say that.
Oh, remember last time we tried to do this, there was a little fire?
Yeah.
Yeah, do we have an extinguisher?
Nope.
Good.
But, oh man, that smells terrible.
Yeah.
I do have your bottle of water.
Oh, yeah.
So here you go.
I don't need to hydrate, thanks. Appreciate that.
I have a sink, we can refill it. Oh, that smells terrible. I shouldn't have to say this, but guys, don't try this at home.
Nope, bad.
Very, very bad. I might end up having to open the garage door.
I think that might not be a bad idea.
Tell you what, you keep burning. Oh man.
Yeah, not good.
Terrible smell. Smells like a vacuum cleaner that sucked up a power cord or something.
Yeah. Ugh. This is not good.
You know what? We're just going full send here. Good.
Like now at this point, I don't know if you'll be able to pick it up on camera, but like, that's where we were cutting, and you could barely see it. So I don't know if you'll be able to even pick it up on the camera, but like
I don't think so. It's
barely like even any sort of marks on it. So.
Okay, situation update. Jordan has managed to get almost halfway through the bolt, but we keep running in again to the issue of dying Sawzall batteries. We did find a solution to using up blades though. Basically, you just cut the blade shorter to a new fresh section of teeth. Where's
The problem is we can only cut that much into it before we're hitting the back of the frame. So we just kind of took it and bent it. So
we'll have multiple sections of fresh blade.
We should be able to use one or like each blade again, one or twice,
so
more times. So
there you go. That's
one problem.
Sit rep.
But we still need.
We are gonna get this though. Okay.
So
was that it? Please tell me that was it. Was that it?
Would you look at that?
Oh my goodness.
So right here.
Oh man.
There's just seized inside.
Let's move to the light. We gotta utilize this dramatic lighting. Put it right here in the light. Yes.
It's just seized right in there.
Oh my gosh. Holy crap. You got it. You got it. A lot of people have told me not to use a torch to do this. I'm past caring. I just want to get it done, and I'll cross any other bridges when I get to them. We're just gonna burn them.
We can buy another control arm. We can't buy more sanity. So
correct.
We're just gonna burn them out.
All right,
and hopefully it works.
Well, here, let's.
We will try to do it smart though.
You say that as you turn the blowtorch on.
Let's see.
Something's happened.
Making some noises.
Okay. I think we're good. Just give it one whack from the inside out towards the grass. Put your foot on the, yeah.
I don't want to mess up that.
And there she goes. Nice, there she went.
Away from the...
Wow.
Smells good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it smells great. It's finally time to put the bushings into the control arm.
It's only been a couple hours.
Weeks.
Hours?
Okay. So these bushings came with this little tiny itty bitty little boy of grease, which is not going to be enough. You want to use quite a bit on the outside of these. It's mostly, it does help with insulation, but it also helps with mitigating squeaking and noises and all that good stuff. So we're just going to slather these bad boys up.
Get them all.
Looking nice and greasy right there. Looking pretty good, dude. And now we're just going to press it on in. Can you get it by hand?
Almost, yeah.
And no need to hurt yourself. And you use that board to distribute pressure evenly and just whack it with that mallet.
Maybe.
Possibly, perhaps.
Almost there. Second part of this is the little metal sleeve, that pesky metal sleeve that we had to deal with.
After installing the bushings, it was a simple case of smashing the control arm back into the frame. I mean, gently negotiating it back into place on the frame.
This dude's a legend. He's over here doing all this car stuff and just holding the camera. I mean, I'm getting a little sweaty. I will say it is pretty toasty here, but compared to this human grease ball.
It's every time I work on this. I've washed my hands how many times since I've been here? Like 4, 5, 6 times?
Yep. We're gonna ride this wave of success and we're gonna go ahead and attack this control arm, the bolt that's also stuck on this side. We're gonna debolt. We're gonna
cut it.
We're gonna boneless suspension. Let's go.
Do it. Oh no, the battery's dead. What are we gonna do?
I don't know. We have like 9 more of them now.
Yeah. Being prepared.
The perks to having a family member that's also in construction. Smoking. Good. It's good.
Do we have that brake cleaner?
Yes.
Just so I can try to spray it out. It's not great.
How's she looking?
I can't tell.
Okay,
That
awesome.
did not help at all.
Yay!
Bring me the torch. Oh,
Oh! Hey, there was a brake cleaner on there, remember?
yeah, I do.
Woo! Okay, this is alarming. Here, let me get past you real quick. Yeah, open the garage.
Okay. Yep. It'll burn out.
Good, it's good.
Hello.
We didn't set anything on fire, it's fine.
Oh,
Oh,
just like that. Yeah, look, you can see it all on both sides on this one.
wow.
Right around the edge and then on right there as well.
There she goes.
Looks violent.
Oh, she's letting go there, brother. I think it's hammer time, my dude. This is how we feel about these bushings. It's probably ill-advised, but can I get it one time?
Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Yes. 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 All right, that's good. Maybe we should put it out now, I guess.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Well, we used all of our water whenever we caught the car on fire.
Well.
So, well, I have a little bit.
Do it from a distance, though. You never know. I haven't felt that destructive or irresponsible since I was a teenager, and I kind of liked it.
Yeah.
That felt pretty good. Time to get some lube on those George W. Bushings.
Okay.
Yep.
Yep.
That's how it's gonna be now.
Luckily, we have gloves, so I don't have to get all of this over my hand. Which
Hot
is nice.
commodity right now.
They really are. I'm surprised you even found any.
I have my ways.
Okay. I don't want to know them, but thank you. Just a good bushing. That's it.
It's a good old bush.
Good old bush. That one's good.
Oh,
That was it. That's one in. Good. Go back and torque these later. And you always want to torque with the nut. However, there is not enough room to get a torque wrench back in there. So I'm just gonna have to do it with the bolt. And that's just gonna have to be that, unfortunately.
I think we'll be all right.
Yeah, me too. But, I mean, it's nice to do it the right way. Because I don't want to have to be doing this again, even though there's some other stuff we have to replace in here, which we didn't know about until after.
Like what?
Like the trailing arm, that side trailing arm, ball joint, stuff like that. This ball joint has a big old rip in it, in the boot. Which it's riveted in. Whoever decided from GM to rivet the ball joint in, I don't understand. Just push it in, you know what I mean? Like everybody else. Everybody presses their ball joints in, not GM. Nope. It is what it is, but.
And there we go, guys. The rear bushings are finally done. Now we get to move to the front. Joy, yay, I'm excited. Can you tell I'm excited? I am excited to get this thing back on the ground and back on the road though, for real. So next week, stay tuned. We're gonna start on these front bushings. And as always, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button, like the video, give us a comment. What are we missing? What else should we do to this thing? And I'll see you guys next time.
Next time on AvalonKing.